Scar, Loie, and Duncan were excited. They were going to go double-head a tourist train. When they arrived at the station, the passengers were waiting. They slowly piled on, and Scar, Loie, and Duncan started talking. "Oh boy, this is gonna be amazing. Wouldn't you agree, Duncan?" "Well, it will be a rather splendid time to show off my rock and rolling. Hold on, where's Rheneas? We need a backing engine." Rheneas then slowly rolled into the station and coupled up behind the train. "I'm ready when you two are." "That's great. Come on, Duncan. Help start the train." "Well, all right then. We shall begin our departure." Suddenly, as they were on the points, Scar, Loie derailed. Duncan hauled Scar, Loie away to the works, and Rheneas was left alone to pull the train. At last, Rheneas pulled into Krasny station. It had been a long journey, but he emerged triumphant. While the passengers were swarming out of the coaches, Rheneas' driver came out to talk. "Congrats, you silly old engine. You managed to get these people home. I'm proud of you." Rheneas looked up to the sky, at the clouds, and smiled. Then Rheneas thought of something. He hadn't been silly at all. In fact, he had been Rheneas, the gallant old engine.